Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the watch on snugly so heart rate readings are reliable. Once done, enable wrist detection and grant health permissions to record effort. Open the workout app and select strength training. If you don't see it, choose other and label it. Make a quick decision on goal type, time, calories, or open. This configures pacing. Then tap start and hold still for the first rep so metrics calibrate correctly. Once the session is live, use the watch to mark sets. Either rely on auto-detect for big compound moves or press the lap button to manually mark each set and rest interval. Make sure heart rate and motion are visible. This helps you compare perceived exertion with actual load. You'll want to glance at reps or elapsed time between sets to manage intensity. Also enable haptic alerts for pace so you don't need to stare at the screen. When you finish, swipe to end and save the workout so the watch uploads metrics to fitness and health. Once saved, check the summary on your watch and then open the iPhone fitness app to inspect sets, HR, and estimated calories. Syncing keeps progression visible. If data looks wrong, reseat the watch and recalibrate sensors by doing a 20-minute brisk walk with the watch on. This corrects stride and motion baselines and resolves most tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.